Imagine organizing a culinary festival for your local community center. Conduct a detailed evaluation to determine which 5 global cuisines would most appeal to the diverse tastes of the community attendees at the event. To solve the question about organizing a culinary festival with global cuisines that appeal to a diverse community, follow these steps: survey community preferences, distribute surveys or hold meetings to gather information on the food preferences, dietary restrictions, and culinary curiosity of the community members. Analyze demographics. Look into the demographic composition of your community, including age groups, cultural backgrounds, and prevalent dietary practices to identify potential cuisine preferences. Research global cuisines. Familiarize yourself with a wide range of global cuisines, noting their key flavors, ingredients, and dietary considerations. Evaluate logistics. Consider the practical aspects of serving each cuisine, such as ingredient availability, preparation complexity, and the need for specialized cooking equipment or skills. Select diverse cuisines. Choose 5 cuisines that offer a broad spectrum of flavors and can cater to various dietary needs, ensuring they reflect the community's preferences and the feasibility of preparation and service. This approach balances community preferences with practical considerations, aiming to create a diverse and inclusive culinary festival.